Within Business Central, using Insight Works, regularly your team in the warehouse will want to move items from bin location to bin location. To do this, they use the ad hoc move module. Let's click on that, and it's going to open up your item journal, which they're able to create straight from the device. And I'm going to flick over to codes just so we can scan something. And here I've got scan the bin to take from, AO1, scan the item, scanned our blessed table, and I'm going to take 50 units. So right now you'll see here the new bin over on the right has nothing in it. To get there, we're going to press the menu, we're going to switch the take place, and now I'm going to scan the 2 bin. This is now said from 2. Using the menu, I click post. Just there has been a movement in that item between those 2 bins.